Hello everyone and welcome back with another new video. Today in this video I am going to talk about the how to make organic chicken feed at home or how you can make organic feed for your chickens at your home. So this video is going to be very helpful for those chicken keepers who are thinking to start keeping chickens or who are already keeping chickens at their backyard. Before start this video, I would like to tell you that I already have shared this chicken feed formula in our website. So if you want to read that blog post, either you can search it on Google homemade chicken feed formulation by farmminister.com or the blog post link is given in the description box. Now let's jump to the main topic. As like me, almost every small or backyard chicken keepers are always used to think that how they can make their chicken feed at their home so that could be organic and healthy for the chickens. So therefore the feed formula or feed formulation that I am going to share with you, that will be based on 10 kg of feed. Accordingly, you will have to prepare the feed according to the amount of feed required by you or by the number of chickens you have. So now for making 10 kg organic chicken feed, the first thing that you have to use is corn. Corn you have to use 5.5 kg for making 10 kg of feed. As you know that corn grains are large in size. So to make it suitable for chickens to eat, you will have to break it into small particles by using mixer grinder or whatever resources you have, so that the size of the grains will become small and the chickens will be able to eat it easily. Now next or the second thing that you have to use for making 10 kg of feed, that is wheat. Wheat you have to use 700 gram for making 10 kg of feed. The wheat grain are also larger in size. So before mixing it into feed, you have to break the grains into small particles so that chickens can eat it easily. Now next or number third of the list that you have to use for making 10 kg of feed, that is pearl millet. Pearl millet you will have to use 1 kg in this formula. The grain size of the pearl millet are also large. So before mix it into the feed, you will have to break the grains into small particles. Now next or number fourth of the list that you have to use, that is rice. The quantity should be 1 kg for making 10 kg of feed. Now if your chickens are adult or large enough and can eat the rice grains or can pick the rice grains easily, so there is no need to break the rice grains into small particles. Now next or number fifth of the list that you have to use, that is soya DOC. The amount should be 1 kg for making 10 kg of feed. Now next or number sixth ingredient that you will have to use, that is fish powder. Fish powder should be use 700 grams for making 10 kg of feed. Now one thing can come to your mind, that from where you can buy fish powder. So fish powder can easily you can buy from local market or you can also buy it from online. Some quality products buying link are given into the description box, so you can check it out from there. Now next or number seventh ingredient that you will have to use, that is rice oil. Rice oil should be used 100 ml for making 10 kg of feed. Now next or number 8 of the list that you have to use is baking soda. The amount of baking soda should be 30 grams for making 10 kg of feed. Now next or number 9th of the list that you have to use, that is salt. Salt should be 20 grams for making 10 kg of feed. Now last or number 10th of the list that you have to use is mineral mixture. The mineral mixture or the quantity of mineral mixture should be 20 grams for making 10 kg of feed. So friends, these all are the 10 important ingredients which you will have to use for making 10 kg of organic feed. Now if you want to make this feed more healthy for your chickens, then additionally you will have to mix two more things or two more ingredients. Number one is ginger powder. Ginger powder you will have to use 50 grams for making 10 kg of feed, and the second one is garlic powder. Garlic powder will also have to add 50 grams for making 10 kg of feed. Adding ginger powder into chicken's feed will help to increase the gut health or digestive system of the chickens. Also adding garlic powder into chicken's feed will help to increase the immunity system and fighting against diseases. Therefore, if you want to keep your chickens always healthy, then you must include these two things into the feed of your chickens. So friends, all the things that were told to you have to be taken together and mix them well so that everything gets mixed well and a feed is get prepared. Whenever you are mixing the feed, you will have to pay attention to one thing, that everything should be mixed well. When you have done all this work, your 10 kg feed will be ready. Now friends, you have to keep this feed in a good place by packing in a airtight container so that feed does not get moisture anyway and the feed does not get spoiled. So in this method or in this formula, you can prepare as much as feed you want at your home so that your chickens can always be healthy. So friends, that's the small video for today. Hope so you have got something from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to get more information about chicken farming, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon also. That's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.